This is A Bildungsroman by Rituja Patil. When my mother was pregnant with me, she was stung by a scorpion. They say that's the reason why I am so venomous. The they here is me. No one else has ever called me venomous. Venomity implies mythicality, a certain grandness. And who would mythologize me but for me? I'm my own muse and I am my own museum. Sometimes I like to think that the scorpion was radioactive, that it was infested by the toxins that made up my coming of age and my youth. All of the Navi Mumbai fumes were already in her sting. When she stung my mother, she blessed me with the ability to breathe in some of the worst air in the world. When my mother was pregnant with me, she used to walk miles to get water every day from an almost dried up well. They say this is the reason why I lack emotion. The they here is my mother. She's right, of course. You cannot keep the pools of emotion full and clean when everywhere is drying up. Water has always been a crisis in my life. The lack of it, the excess of it, the overabundance of it in my eyes, the retention of it in my body. All the fainting from dehydration, the floods and the droughts. We are the same, this land and I, willfully ignorant of being at risk of being burned down by an inferno of logged water. When I was pregnant with this poem, a village a few kilometers away was engulfed by a deluge of mud. They say that this is why this poem is so useless. Its words hollow, incapable of making it rain less or rain more, or taking a hot summer and making it temperate. The they here is the speaker of this poem. No one else calls my poems useless. Months later, I travelled down the road that passes through the mud-sunken village, sitting at the window of a red and yellow bus, listening to Elio sing, "The whole world is ending, so fuck the environment, baby." Singing along, knowing well that she would never be close enough to the environment that was getting fucked, and I was right at the centre of it. The poet's note says, on the 19th and 20th of July, the Raigad district in Maharashtra, a state of India, experienced extremely heavy rainfall that caused a landslide in the village of Ishalwadi, fully burying around 48 houses. 27 people were declared dead on 23rd July 2023, and the rescue operations were called off with 57 people still missing. Such landslides have become a common occurrence in the region in the last few decades and are progressively getting worse owing to climate change-induced flash floods.